Hello everyone. So we are here at Sumitomo Electric Hardmetal India's grand warehouse opening ceremony.
We are not just started, but we are month by month increasing our sales, collaborating by our partners. Now we conduct our opening ceremony, our office and also our logistics center in Taroja. That is one of our key activity, delivering goods from Japan, but not simply importing from Japan. We are keeping also our products in India. We deliver to the Indian customer. So I expect not 1 week, 10 days delivery, but only 2 days or 3 days delivery for Indian customers.
Sumitomo is expecting that Indian market is growing for the next 5 years, especially for the manufacturing sector, such as automotive, aerospace, or IT. Those manufacturing sector will grow drastically. And Sumitomo has the very, very unique technologies, especially for the cutting tool material. We'd like to support the manufacturing companies to reduce the production cost and improve productivity.
Today we have a opening ceremony of Sing. So I introduced our many new products. Originally, Sumitomo is very strong for the automotive products, but this year now we are focusing aircraft industry and small tool and medical.
I'm very happy on the inauguration of the warehouse by Sumitomo Electric Hardmetal India, and my best wishes for them to provide better services by this warehouse in India.
My team needs to give value to the customer, and the value can only happen when the team itself is equipped. So we are working hard on that. Right now we are in the stage of building it, but that's the vision we have for the industry, because the industry definitely needs good people to talk to give value to them, to give the right solutions to them. Industry lacks knowledgeable manpower right now, but we will make sure that it's taken care of. Thank you very much. Thank you.